3 months from now, you could be in exactly the same place. Same stress, same paycheck, same money problems. Or you could be on the path to financial freedom. The difference? 90 days. Most people think they're broke because they don't make enough money. But that's usually not true. They're broke because money leaves faster than it arrives. Nobody teaches us how money actually works. So today, I'm giving you a simple 90-day reset. Not to get rich, to get control, because control comes before wealth. Before you can build wealth, you need to know where your money is disappearing. The scary part? Most people don't actually know. Small leaks become huge problems. A subscription here, an Uber there, late-night purchases, tiny decisions, massive consequences. Treat your life like a business. Track every dollar. Because what gets measured gets improved. Now that you know where your money goes, it's time to give it a mission. Every paycheck should have a destination before it arrives, not after. Pay yourself first, not last. Because emergencies aren't emergencies. They're guaranteed. Only the timing is unknown. And if you have high-interest debt, attack it aggressively. Because debt steals freedom from your future. Now the fun part begins, making your money work. The wealthy don't just earn money, they own assets. Every dollar invested today is an employee working for you tomorrow. But the best investment? You. Skills create income. Income creates investments. Investments create freedom. Never rely on one source of income, because one source of income creates one point of failure. Imagine 2 people, same age, same salary, same city. One spends without thinking. The other follows a system. 5 years later, their lives look nothing alike. Not because one got lucky, because one became intentional. 90 days won't make you rich, but 90 days can change your direction. And direction determines destination. You don't need a perfect plan. You need a better system. Start tracking, start saving, start investing, start building, because the future version of you is depending on the decisions you make today. I'm Lester Terry, and this is Stackr, Stack Today, Freedom Tomorrow.